Razor burn. Gone. Ingrown hairs. History. Stick around, your next shave could feel like glass. Let me show you how dermatologists keep their skin bump free. Welcome to MTH Health. Here, we break down science-backed health tips, fast and clear. Everything in today's video is approved by a board-certified dermatologist. And yes, it works for both men and women. Razor burn happens when your blade scrapes the top layer of skin. That leaves tiny gaps, where bacteria and friction create irritation. Ingrown hairs occur when the shaved hair curls back into the skin. This traps the hair, causes swelling, and sometimes even pus. But don't worry, prevention is simple once you know what to change. Step 1. Prep the skin. Exfoliate 24 hours before shaving. Use a gentle salicylic acid cleanser to clear pores and lift dead skin. Always shave after a warm shower. Heat softens the hair and opens follicles, making shaving easier. Next, choose the right gear. Dermatologists recommend a single or double-edged safety razor. More blades mean more friction, stick to one or two. Use a fragrance-free gel with glycerin or aloe. And change your blade every 5 to 7 shaves. A dull blade will shred your skin, not glide over it. Now let's talk about shaving technique. Hold the blade at about a 30-degree angle. Shave with the direction your hair grows. Use short, gentle strokes. Never press down hard, let the blade do the work. Rinse the razor after every swipe. Want a closer shave? Re-lather, then gently go across the grain, never against it unless your skin is very tolerant. After shaving, splash cool water on your skin. Pat it dry, don't rub. Apply a soothing moisturizer with ingredients like allantoin or panthenol. Avoid alcohol-based aftershaves, they dry and sting. If redness appears, use 1% hydrocortisone, no more than 1 day. Got an ingrown hair? Don't dig or squeeze it. Instead, use a warm compress for 10 minutes. Then apply a salicylic acid pad to exfoliate. If it's swollen or painful for more than 2 days, see a dermatologist. You might need a topical antibiotic. Let's recap the smooth shave plan. Exfoliate, soften the skin, use a sharp blade, shave with the grain, and finish with moisture. That's it, no more razor bumps. If you learned something new, hit the like button. Subscribe for next week's face-off, electric versus manual razors. Have questions? I answer the first 50 comments myself. Thanks for watching MTH Health. Want smoother skin? Stay smooth, stay confident.